Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with American Express CreditSecure, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official American Express website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the next page. If you do not have an account, look for the Enroll or Sign Up link. Click on this link to start the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and credit card number. Create a secure username and password for your account. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Submit or Enroll button to complete the registration. Once registered, return to the login page. Enter your new username and password in the respective fields. Click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the CreditSecure section in your account dashboard. Select the option related to subscribing to CreditSecure. Review the subscription details, including benefits and costs. Provide any additional information requested for the subscription. Enter your payment details if prompted or confirm your credit card info. Review your subscription choices, ensuring everything is accurate. Click on the Final Confirmation button to activate your CreditSecure subscription. You will receive a confirmation notification on your screen. Check your registered email for a confirmation message as well. Your subscription to American Express CreditSecure is now active. Explore the services available to you through the CreditSecure platform. If you have any questions, consult the help section or customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.